Click on the link below to get price. The Caroma Peak Electric Scooter is a versatile and robust option for those seeking an efficient and fun mode of transportation. Available in 500W, 800W, and 1200W variants, it caters to a range of needs, making it an ideal choice for both casual riders and those who require a bit more power for tougher terrains. One of the standout features of the Caroma Peak is its impressive off-road capability, thanks to the large 20-inch tires. These tires not only provide excellent traction on various surfaces but also absorb shocks efficiently, ensuring a smooth ride over bumps and rough paths. This scooter is particularly appealing to adventurers who often find themselves navigating uneven terrains. The seating option is another significant aspect, enhancing comfort during extended rides. The well-padded seat is adjustable, allowing riders of different heights to find their ideal position. This feature is especially beneficial for those who plan on using the scooter for longer commutes or leisurely explorations. With a range of 15, 25, or 30 miles depending on the selected model, the Caroma Peak excels in its versatility. The battery life is commendable, providing ample mileage for daily errands or outdoor adventures. Riders can choose the model that best fits their travel distance requirements, making it suitable for urban commuting or weekend getaways. Performance-wise, the scooter offers a peppy acceleration and a decent top speed, making it not only functional but also exhilarating to ride. The controls are intuitive, and the braking system is responsive, which boosts confidence for riders of all experience levels. In terms of build quality, the Caroma Peak feels sturdy and well-constructed, assuring users of its durability. The design is sleek and modern, making it visually appealing as well. Overall, the Caroma Peak Electric Scooter with seat is an excellent investment for anyone looking for a reliable, powerful, and comfortable ride that can tackle various terrains efficiently while also being stylish and practical.